In this tutorial, we will see how to apply metadata created through artificial intelligence in Transcriber. This is the audio file of the latest episode of an Italian podcast I collaborate on, Il Vino Lo Porto Io, which can be translated as I Bring the Wine, in which we talk about food and wine pairings with a sommelier, a chef, and in this particular episode, with a guest, another sommelier and teacher. The episode also features an interview with the communications manager of a renowned champagne producer. More and more often, it is advisable to make the full transcript of the episode so that it is searchable and indexable on the internet. I therefore select the language of the podcast, Italian, and start the transcription. I then wait for the software to finish its analysis. Once the transcript is complete, I can see in the Transcribed Full Text tab the entire transcript. I am also interested in other information and content that may enable me to promote this episode. I therefore click on the AI Metadata tab. In this control panel, I can select all the metadata that I want to be generated. First, I want to have a summary of the episode, so I select the text metadata and analysis set, and with this chooser I just select medium summary. Then I go to the bottom and click on the Generate Missing Responses button. I wait a few seconds, and here is the result. As you can see, the result is in the same language as the podcast, which helps me a lot. How much will this single generation have cost me? You can easily see it in this box by clicking on the info icon. You can also get other information in this popover, such as the artificial intelligence model used and the processing time. I want to publicize this episode with a post on Instagram. I select from the social media set, Instagram post, and repeat the procedure. I do not know if I am satisfied with this text, so I click on the Generate Another Version button. For each version I have generated, I just go to specify a rating, so I know which one to post. If you click on the Show as Markdown switch, you can see the effect of the text. To copy this text, click on the Copy button. The total cost of all requests can be seen in this area. If you are interested in adding the entire pool of ready-made prompts in a set, select the Add All Prompts button. This will quickly build the entire set of metadata, with very few clicks. Of course, you can create your own set by going to Select Prompts to group them as you wish. Click New Set, choose a name, description, possibly even an image, and then add one by one all the prompts that are useful to you to have them ready from here on out. Of course, you can also create new prompts, tailored to your needs. In the case of the previous podcast, I created a much richer and more complex prompt that is uniquely suited to the podcast, but which can return significantly more targeted results, and I added it to the set. In the text metadata and analysis set, we added a lot of prompts that allow you to discover very interesting things about the content that is being transcribed. For example, you can have listed all the links or brands that have been mentioned in the episode, or even ask ChatGPT what topics or sites you can visit for an in-depth look. These prompts will be updated automatically in the application. The Images set also allows you to create images with artificial intelligence. We have prepared some prompts to do the generation. Once again, go to the set and select the prompt you want to add. Next, run the prompt. In this case, the prompt takes longer to run because in addition to the prompt, the image is generated. The costs of images are significantly higher, in the order of magnitude of at least 10 times compared to text-only prompts. Each image can be rated with 1 star, 2, or 3, and exported, saving it to the disk in PNG or JPEG format. If you are not satisfied with one image, you can generate more images again with the same prompt. You can create image generation prompts by choosing the template. We recommend DALL-E 3 because DALL-E 2 has a quality that is not up to the standard. By choosing HD, you can generate images not only square but also in 16:9 horizontal or vertical. You can choose between normal and vivid style. The vivid style is more refined, qualitatively better, more of a stock photo than an everyday photo. This latest feature of Transcriber is a great new, all-to-be-explored set of functions that not only allow you to promote your content more effectively, but also to discover new things about it. This new version is available as a free upgrade for all owners of the previous version. If you want to purchase it, you can find it exclusively on the FX Factory website. Go to ultimedia/transcriber to learn more.